working together to build a brighter and more sustainable future.
Alliances, USA, Belgium, Germany, Italy, and Netherlands. Create a partnership on focusing.
हांव फॉरेन अफेअर्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया आणि आमचे G20चे आसा सध्या
हे फर्स्ट टाइम तुझे
हय
एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आसा?
अजून पर्यंत हांवें आत्तां एक डील करून येयल्लें आसा सावदी अरेबिया बरोबर. ती डील आसली इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल एंड गॅस नॅचरल गॅसेस आमी फार्मास्युटिकल्स आणि म्हणटा तें एग्रिकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स आमचे तेंचे बरोबर आमी डील केली.
फर्स्ट टाइम आसून ती एक हो तुका एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आसतलो फुडें फ्युचरान?
ह्यो एक्सपिरियन्स खूब बरो आसा म्हाका फ्युचर लायफ म्हणजे हांव आतां फर्दर स्टडीजांक लायक इंटरनॅशनल स्टडीज नाजाल्यार कितें बिजनसान हांव वचपाचें आसा तितून सुद्दां म्हाका कॉन्फिडन्स गेन करूंक खूब बरें हेल्प करता हें.
पॉलिटिकल करियर हेल्प करपाना?
पॉलिटिकल आमी मागीर चिंतया.
सो ओवरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स बरो आशिल्लो?
हय तितूर म्हाज्या बापान सुद्दां म्हाका खूब हेल्प केल्ली आसा लायक तेणी म्हाका रिसर्च वर्क कितें म्हाका फायल्स बीन धाडलेली
सो तुका पॉलिटिकल मातशें हेल्प जालें?
मातशी. हय.
ओके.
So I'm playing the Prime Minister of India in this G20 and I'm honored to play this role today.
This is your first time or?
No, this is my second time. Last year I was the head of Japan.
Okay. How is the experience?
The experience is really nice. I never really realized what a politician and all these workers go through. So it's a really great experience to understand that, okay, to make a country run, there's a lot of work going behind it.
How will you think about G20 from this? You are playing role of G20 summit. So
Yeah.
how do you know? How you will understand about G20?
I will understand about G20.
मतलब how तुम्हें G20 के बारे में क्या क्या पता चला?
I understood there is a lot of work going behind it. Like every sector plays a very huge role into it, and there is a contribution from every citizen as well. So it's a teamwork actually to run a country well.
At Sunshine Worldwide High Secondary School, we are having the Model G20 Summit for our learners. This is an opportunity from 7th to 12th graders to take part in the Model G20 Summit. Overall, we have 63 members. We have the country heads, we have the finance minister, and we have the foreign affairs minister. So this is an intergovernmental organization where countries come together for peaceful discussions and to collaborate and cooperate with different countries. This summit is organized in the view to help our students to increase their global skills, their negotiation skills, their bilateral trade agreements, all this to be done. The original G20, how it happens among the 21 countries, in the same manner we are doing this model for our learners.
So like it start with open remarks.
Yes. So when all the countries come together, there is an opening speech which is given by the country head. There is next session will be the financial negotiation sessions. Then we will have the debates and rebuttals. Then we will have the draft and resolutions by the countries, wherein they will trade and do their agreements. If they agree to trade with another country, then they are ready to put their draft resolutions.
So also they sign a memorandum.
Yes, if the countries agree to sign a contract with another country with respect to trade deals, with respect to funds, they can move ahead.
Ma'am, your good name full?
My name is Mrs. Pramila Amolkar. I am an educator at Sunshine High Secondary School. I teach economics, entrepreneurship and finance.
My main responsibility in this summit is to provide financial loans to countries who are in need for funds for various purposes such as deals, trades or etc.
How was the experience?
The experience is amazing. I've learned a lot about making deals, how to make profits out of them, and this will definitely help in my future.
This is how actual G20 summits go. So what things you learn about G20?
I learn how countries make negotiations with other countries, how partnerships are made between countries, and how sometimes alliances are broken or made, which is also very important to learn about because it really helps you in your professional career.
Your name?
My name is Pranav Jha.
So I'm the moderator and I'm overlooking the summit. So we have different country heads of all the G20 countries. There are country heads, ministers, and I'm overlooking them for the debates and all of the conversations that are happening.
Is it first time you're participating?
Last year, which was the first edition, I participated as a delegate. This year I'm the moderator.
How is the experience?
My experience has been amazing. I get a lot of confidence and a lot of public speaking skills through this, and it's just a good experience to understand how actual world functions.
How does this help the students to gain the confidence?
When speaking in front of so many people, you get public speaking skills and also confidence boost. So it makes you a very confident speaker, and you can put your ideas out without any fear.
Through this, what you learn about G20?
I learned about how the countries actually function because in school we just learn about it through textbooks and theory, but here we're actually putting all of our knowledge to use, how to handle money, how to run a country, how does world politics actually function.
आणि अजूनपर्यंत तुमचा फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपिरियन्स
माझा फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपिरियन्स खूप बरो आसलो आनी खूब कितें कितें शिकलें इंडिया बद्दल.
फ्युचरान हे तुमकां कशें हेल्प करतले?
म्हाका हितून खूब यूज करूंक शकता, म्हणजे हांव कशें बजेट दिवंक शकता, कशें एलोकेट करूंक शकता, तें म्हाका शिकूंक मेळ्ळें.
आणि डील्स तुम्ही अजूनपर्यंत खंयच्यो केल्यो?
आमी सावदी अरेबिया कडेन एक डील केली, म्हणजे क्रूड ऑयला खातीर आनी कितें आमी सुद्दां तांकां इन रिटर्न दिवपाचें आसा, टॅग दिवपाचें, फार्मा दिवपाचें, टुरिजम दिवपाचें.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.